Hey everyone, if your resume isn't landing interviews, it's not because you're not qualified, it's because it's not doing its job. Now, I've been a recruiter for over 14 years and I've reviewed thousands of resumes across multiple different industries. Today, I want to talk about breaking down 5 resume strategies that actually work, the exact methods that make recruiters stop scrolling and say, we need to talk to this person. So let's get into it. Number 1, nail the top third. Recruiters make their decisions in seconds. In fact, they say a recruiter spends an average of 6 seconds scrolling a CV. The top third of your resume is the most valuable real estate you've got. That's where you should include a strong headline, a short summary, and 3 to 4 bullet points showing your biggest wins. Don't just list responsibilities, show results. For example, instead of managed a team, say led a 5-person team to deliver projects 20% ahead of schedule. That's what makes you stand out instantly. Number 2, tailor it every time. This is so important. Generic resumes get generic results. Every job description uses slightly different language and priorities, and that matters. So before you apply, read the job ad carefully, highlight the main skills, the certifications, and the tools they mention, and weave them naturally into your resume. This isn't about copying, it's about alignment. You're showing that you understand exactly what they're looking for. Okay, number 3, focus on impact, not duties. Your resume isn't just a list of what you did, it's a highlight reel of how well you did it. Employers already know what your job title involves, so what they want is to see your impact. Use metrics, percentages, outcomes, anything that quantifies success. For example, instead of saying responsible for system maintenance, you could say improved system uptime from 92% to 99.5%. Numbers build credibility and tell your story fast. Number 4, keep it clean and scannable. Design does matter. Your resume should be clean, modern, and easy to read, both for humans and technology, particularly with AI and how quick it's evolving. Avoid cluttered templates, multiple fonts, or heavy graphics. Stick to consistent formatting with clear headlines and white space. If your resume looks professional and effortless to scan, recruiters are far more likely to read it and remember it. And number 5, make it ATS-friendly. And if you don't know what that means, ATS means applicant tracking systems. It's one most people overlook, but your resume has to pass the ATS. Applicant tracking systems scan for keywords, formatting, and structure before a recruiter even sees it. So if you use tables, columns, or graphics, the system might not read your resume properly, and it may not go through to an actual human, and you've got no chance of getting an interview. So keep it simple, clear section headings, standard fonts, and relevant keywords pulled directly from the job description. That's how you make sure your resume actually gets seen by a real person. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to take your career to the next level, make sure to grab my free 3-part masterclass. It will show you exactly how to build a standout resume, how to introduce yourself with confidence, and land interviews faster using my Career Compass coaching method. The link's down below in the description. And if you want more recruiter-backed advice to help you grow in your career, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications. I post new videos every week to help you get closer to your next opportunity. I'm Gough. Thanks for watching. As always, keep leveling up your career, and I'll see you on the next one.